Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie a double sheet bend. This particular knot is used for connecting two ropes and can be used on applications such as sailing, camping, and even just general purposes. Start by creating a bight on the one rope. Take the working end of the opposite rope and feed it through the bight. Loop around and then back. Feed the working end under the section through the bight. Wrap it around and then feed it under the section one more time so it creates a double wrap. Tighten and dress accordingly. This knot can be used to connect two different ropes of different diameters, unlike some of the other knots, but is not as secure as compared to some knots. Therefore, it should not be used in high-stress situations. If the ropes of unequal size are used, the larger diameter rope is to be used on the bight portion. The double sheet bend is much more secure than compared to the single sheet bend. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.